Cantier, making factories smarter. Headquartered in Singapore, with offices in India, USA, and the Philippines, Cantier serves worldwide customers in semiconductor, electronics, automotive, aerospace, and precision engineering. Cantier MES 4.0 is a next-generation smart manufacturing execution platform with execution, IIoT, intelligence, and augmented reality, empowers modern manufacturers with rapid, configurable solutions. MES 4.0 offers a world-first federated core edge architecture for faster scalability and high-speed performance. Cantier MES 4.0 key features are advanced planning and scheduling, real-time WIP tracking, closed-loop quality control, enhanced equipment productivity with CMMS and OEE, Integration Manager for seamless integration with third-party apps like SAP, manufacturing intelligence to provide real-time insights for better decisions, augmented reality to enhance worker guidance and remote assistance. Our deployments in leading businesses speak for themselves. Connected 450 old machines for Littelfuse, resulting in 49% MTTR improvement, 36% OEE improvement, and 45% output increase. Digitized shop floor for India's top tire manufacturer, enabling error-free operations, enhanced traceability and improved in-process quality. Cantier MES 4.0 empowered a mega-precision parts factory in India with end-to-end comprehensive shop floor capabilities, connecting 5,000 high-tech machines and scanning stations seamlessly with high performance and low latency. Cantier MES 4.0 not only paves the way for Industry 4.0 but also ensures your factory is future-ready,